and welcome back to Mr. Pumpkin's Tech Blog. In this video, we are going to see a simple tutorial on how to remove a background from an image. So I have made two folders here, like one with an image and one is where we're going to save the file. So I have an image of like Robert Downey Jr. We are going to remove the background of this image. We just need to open in our Windows default Photos app. So if you have Windows 11, you will see the same similar interface. We just need to click on edit image icon, and in the extreme right you will see the background option. Click on it, and here it will detect the subject in the image, and you can just click on remove background, and it will just remove the background by detecting the subject in the image. So the precision is quite good, so you can easily remove complex backgrounds easily, and you can also choose any solid color in the background if you want. So once you are satisfied with the output, so you need to save it. So for saving, you just to make sure that you save it as copy, otherwise your original image will be replaced. So I will click on save as copy, and while saving I will choose the another folder and make sure you save it at PNG, because PNG images support like transparent background. Like if you save it in JPEG, it will not be saved without a background. So for transparent background, we are going to save it in PNG, and you can see that we have removed the background successfully. And here is the original image, and here is the one without background. You can use it easily anywhere you like. So the benefit of using this tool is that you don't have to worry about uploading or downloading your high quality images to the online tools. And also it has the benefit that it will not reduce the image size, just like an online tool. Usually all the image size that you upload will be reduced to some extent, because those are paid tools and they don't provide high quality images without background to be downloaded freely. So just try to use this tool. It's quite effective. So that's for this tutorial. I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.